Hello everyone. Today I am here to demonstrate how to make cursive letters. Many students, whenever they are starting writing cursive alphabet, they are feeling some problem how to draw the letters, because in that letter we should not lift our hand. Continue we have to write. Means cursive is the writing in which all the letters of any word are connected. Many people, means children, what I am telling, that many mature people also they are doing some mistakes. So today I am gonna show you how to write correct cursive letters in proper order in a simple way. So let's get started. First of all, we will start fourth alphabet. Usually fourth alphabet we are using too much, means fourth alphabet we are using more than third alphabet. That's why first of all we are starting always fourth alphabet. So let's get started. First of all, we should learn the lines. 4 lines are there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. These upper 3 lines are there. Downside 3 lines we are telling, lower 3 lines, and this is the middle line. What is here? Middle line. So first of all, I will start from middle line letters. First you have to learn how to draw strokes. Strokes means how to draw short strokes. In this manner, we should not lift our hands. It is called short curves, right? Now long, then how we will make? From 1, 2, 3, third line we will start and we will go upper side. Means our maximum letters we can make through this curves only. Clear? Now we will start how to make A. From third line we have to start, we have to go upper side. I will zoom little bit, then you can see very clearly. We have to go through middle line. One thing you have to take care, we should touch both the lines very properly. In that case you can write proper A. Again we will draw A. We should go here, then we will turn back, full round we will make. From upper side again we will move down, then we will go. In this manner we have to write A. Yes. At present online classes are running and teachers can't guide properly to their students. That's why parents' duty is double now. That's why parents should learn these letters. In that case they can teach to their kids very well how to draw the letters. Yes. Now C, in this manner only C we have to draw. Same manner like A we have to write C. That's why before B I am showing you how to draw C. So third line we have to start. We have to go upper side, then move little bit ahead, turn back and move ahead. We should not lift our hand. This thing you have to care. We should not lift our hand. In this proper manner. Yes. Now we will start how to make B. From third line only we will start. Go through upper. Yes. And then. Yes. One more time you have to see. First, second and third line. From third line we will start. We will go upper side. Then move back. Come down. From here make a curve. Second line we have to go up to second line. Then move inside and outside. Is that clear? It is B of small letter of cursive. Yes. Look carefully please. If you will learn how to make in proper order, in proper movement, if we will learn, then our writing will be nice. Our writing depends only on alphabet. If we will learn very well how to draw alphabet, how to make alphabet, then our writing will be good. Otherwise, many people, when they are mature and they are thinking we should write in good handwriting, they are not able to write very nicely because they are habitual for that letters, means how they learnt in their childhood, like that only they are writing. That's why they can't improve their handwriting. That's why our thinking is that from childhood only we have to learn proper letters. In that case your writing will be very nice. One more line I have drawn here. Our next letter A, C and B I taught already. Now you have to see D. How to make D? Again like A we will move. From third line we have to move ahead, move back. Full circle you have to make in our middle line. Then go upper side and in this manner you have to draw D. I can't draw proper straight lines, so please don't mind. You have to see letter formation only, how to draw letters. Yes, D. Full circle we have to make. From downwards we have to start and we have to move upwards. Full circle we have to make in middle line. Then in this manner we have to go. Yes. I will make one video in notebook also. In that case you can learn very well how to draw alphabet. Yes, now we will start E. E also in same manner we will start. This slanting line we will draw. In middle line only E we will write. Then move back, proper circle, and then this is the E. Yes, this E. Now how to make F? F we are writing among 4 lines. F we are writing among 4 lines. From middle line only we will start. Go up, upward we have to go, then move little bit and full down you have to come. Yes, then move here, little curve, go inside and come outside. From third line only we will start. Go upward. All 4 lines we have to touch here. Yes. Inside, then outside. Clear? In F, many students they are feeling problem how to make F. Look carefully. From third line we will start. We will go upward. Then again we will move back. Small circle will come here. Yes, straight line you have to draw. Move. Again upward you have to go. Cross this line, go inside and downward you have to go again outside. It is our F. Can you see properly? Now G you have to see. G we will write in lower 3 lines. You have to take care while writing letters. That's order you have to learn carefully. G we will write in lower 3 lines. From third line we will start. Our circle must be among 2 lines. Yes, this big circle you have to make. Then straight line, move, go upwards and leave this line. In 4th alphabet you will see everywhere extra lines are there to connect another letter which we will form in word. Yes, again we will start G. Upward we have to go. Make the circle. Your circle must be touched among middle lines. Go downwards. Take care of lines. And yes. Again. See carefully. Parents should learn these letters. In that case, they can teach very well to their kids. Okay. Now I will erase this, and we will go to next letters. G. Now H here to see. This H also we will start from first, second and third line. H we will start from third line. From third line we will move upward. One thing more you have to take care while writing letters. Little bit bend we have to write letters. Means it should not straight. It should little bend. Yes, this thing you have to take care while writing letters. Third line we will start. We will go upward. Then a straight line. Then we will move back, curve, and we will leave. Clear? Now see I. How to draw I? Same like E we will draw there. But here we will not make proper circle and dot. Take care, we should not lift our hand while writing any letter. What is happening while learning? Some students, they are making circle, they are drawing here line. It is wrong way. We should not write like this. J also in same manner we will start J here. How we have started I, in that manner only we will start J. Up to here we have to move, then down. And 1 point. Yes, it is J. Clear? Now K you have to see. K again we will start from third line. We will move upward. Yes, like H we have to make shape like H. Then after from here we will make one curve and it is our K. Clear? Again you have to see. Draw one slanting line, then move one standing line. Our hand should not lift. Okay, now L we have to make. How we have made B, in that manner we will write L. Slanting line, we will move back and L. Here L, F. These letters you have to take care, because if we will learn wrong way, then our writing will collapse. M and N you have to see. One slanting line in middle line. Middle line you have to draw one slanting line. Then move. Lines you have to take care. We should touch the lines upper side also and down side also. In that case, your letters will be very proper. M you have to take care. 2 times we will move. Yes. See once more. Here. Now we will go through O. Now we will start to making O. In which manner we have started A, in same manner we have to write O. From third line we have to start. We should go upward. In middle line only we have to draw. Then move back. Full circle we have to make. From here we have to move inside and O. Here from third line we have to go upwards, move back, full circle we have to make, and from upward side we have to draw one line. It is our fourth alphabet O. Right? Now P, from third line we have to start. Slanting line. In lower three lines we are writing P in this manner. From third line we have to start. In middle line we have to draw one slanting line. Then we will go downwards. From here we have to make circle in this manner. It is P. Yes, look carefully please. How to draw P? We should not lift our hand. Q, how we have written A, in that manner only we have to write Q. In circle we have to make in middle line, go downwards and Q. Look carefully. From third line we have to make in middle line one slanting line, make one circle and go downwards. In G we have made in this manner circle. Now Q we should not make any circle, we should draw slanting line in this manner. Is that clear? Now R you have to see. From third line only we have to start R, slanting line, move back, make one circle here, round, and it is R. R, some students are feeling little problem to make R. Look carefully please. Slanting line. R we are writing in middle lines only. Please take care. R. Yes? And slanting line. This thing you have to take care. We should touch the line both the side. Upper side also we should touch line and down side also. Here now S you have to look. From third line we will start S only. In middle line we will write S. In this manner. Yes. Once more you have to look. Slanting line. Move back. Little circle. Yes. And it is our S. Now we will write T. Look carefully. From third line we will start T. We have written L. In that manner only we will write T. Yes. It is T. From third line, move upper side. Yes, move back. Then downward you have to move. Straight line. T. Yes. Once more. From third line we have to go upward. Up to third line we have to touch the lines. These also you have to take care please. And T. Now you have to look. From here only we will start. Short stroke we will use here. And U. Yes. From this line. Move. And lift. Don't lift your hand. Once more I am telling you. Don't lift your hand while writing cursive. Okay. Now V. You have to see V. Slanting line. In V we have to write this manner we will make V. Yes. Slanting line. Then V. Yes. In this manner we have to draw V. In same manner we will draw W. From here W. Yes, means your letter should look clear. Otherwise, when we will join the letters and we will make word, that time you will confuse to read what you have written. Now see X. In middle line we will write X only. C we have to write opposite C. Then right C. Two curves we have to make. One curve left and one right to make X. It is X. Look carefully, touch the line please. Yes. Now Y. In lower three lines we will write Y. From here we have to start, from third line. Make half circle. Go straight downwards and Y. Yes. In this manner we have to draw Y. Yes. Go downwards, move, form a circle and out. It is Y. Now Z. Z is little typical. Students are feeling problem to draw Z. Look carefully please. How we have started Y. In same manner we will start Z. Slanting line among middle line. Then move and yes. On three lines we have to write Z. So that's it. I hope you will practice very nicely fourth alphabet and you will learn properly. Good luck.